This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals Course C, and I'm on the lesson Chase Game with events. Let's see what we got. Can you make George the dog, actor 1, okay, so that must be him, actor 1, say something. Then have Olive the cat, actor 2, say something afterwards. Okay, well, we have this win-run block. So we need, like, I hit win-run now and nothing's going to happen. But I have these blocks, or well, this block. I'm going to drag one out and attach it to win-run. Now, the other name for George apparently is actor1, say hi. Okay, so let's see if it works. All right, now to make Olive also say hi, code runs in order, right? We'd need to attach another block. We'd need to have another line of code. And we're going to ask the computer to make Olive say hi. This won't work though right now. George is just saying hi twice. Okay? How about good morning? Olive is actor 2. That's the other name apparently, the computer name for Olive. Let's see. Ta-da! Awesome. We got it. Let's keep going.